What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Rocket Power. You got your boy Rocket here. It has been forever since we've filmed any content, and I'm sorry. We've just been busy. The whole COVID stuff hit. Anyways, we're back at it. We're back on Joseph's car, and today we're actually gonna pull the motor and get it prepared for the paint and body.
There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. I was so
See what we got here is a small block forward.
But I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still was a blind man. Though my mind could think, I still was a madman. I hear the voices when I'm dreaming. I can hear them say, carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more.
Cheese and rice.
Masquerading as the man with the reason. My charade is the event of the season. And if I claim to be a wise man, it surely means that I don't know. On a stormy sea of moving
Hang on.
tossed about, I'm like a ship on the ocean. I set a course for winds of fortune, but I hear the voices say, carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. Carry on, you will always remember. Carry on, nothing equals the splendor. Now your life's song.
Hey!
So awkward. Hey, there's old man Pete. He's trying to run, but he can't.
You are done. Lay your weary head.
Don't scratch the paint.
Yeah, look.
Don't you cry.
Ray, do I need to move my car?
Huh?
Do I need to move the car?
Depends on if you want it repainted too or not. right, guys, so there it is. Car is off to paint, getting body work done. So blessed, so happy, thankful for everybody that donated and helped out with raising the money to get this over here to the paint body shop. Thank y'all so much for everybody that pitched in and helped, and thanks all the guys that came and helped load the car and help get the motor out and all that. We've got a lot more to do. We're gonna end up tearing the motor down, checking it out, rebuilding it. So look for that. That's gonna be the next episode. Until next time, peace.